Recently I found this toy that I made a couple of years ago, and believe it or not, it's still working. I made it just for fun, and you need to be extra careful with this. Hello Hacktubers, and welcome back to my channel. And in this video I'm gonna show you this special tool. Okay, as you can see, I have used a toy so I can place everything or the electronics inside them. So I have a trigger and I have on, off and charging. What is charging and why is this plug right here? Let me show you. Here it is, the green LED. When I turn it on, I have a green light, and when I press the trigger, it flashes. Yes, the electronics is pulled out from old camera, and there is a battery, but look what else can do. If you shortcut these two probes, whoa! That is super powerful. It's ready again. Wow! It's like a taser made out of disposable camera with flash, and the electronics is inside. With the switch I charge the big capacitor, and also I can flash. Two functions: you can flash someone or you can shock him. This is not cool. I need to hide very well from my kids. This is dangerous. Even it's off, the capacitor is still fully charged. Yes, now it's okay. Okay, now you can see here it is, the big capacitor of 330 volts and 140 microfarads. I have used a big 18650 rechargeable battery. Here it is, the electronics that I pull out from the old camera, and in parallel with the flash is connected this AC plug. Alright, very dangerous. So that was all for today. Short video. I wanted just to share my crazy invention. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.